Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, if you have filed GCMS notes and especially on behalf of family member, like if you're doing spouse sponsorship and you wanna file for your spouse who might be outside Canada, in that case, you would get a form from them if you don't submit along with your application. So this is called IMM 5475, authority to release personal information to a designated individual, and this is used by IRCC and CBSA both. Okay, so this is how it goes. So I'm going to show you how to submit this form, how to fill this form. I apologize. So before I proceed further, if I'm not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, like let's say you are sponsoring your spouse and you are submitting a GCMS request. So how it's gonna work? So basically, this form tells IRCC that your spouse is giving authority to you to collect the information from the system on her behalf. Okay, this is kind of like giving you access so that they have the authority to release such information to you. So this section is like in the sample case I described. This section is going to be for your spouse name, family name, given name, date of birth. If already an application is submitted like GCMS, okay, notes, then that information needs to be put over here, okay. Like your client information, like spouse application has been submitted, so that information can go here, okay. Don't worry. Then designated individual's name. So that's your name, you're the husband in the sample case, and contact information. Signature email address. It's very good, important. I would say I would recommend do it. Then date. Date you can even pick up from here. Okay. Signature. And then you can submit along and it should work. In my case, it has worked. So I'm showing it to you in your case also. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.